Meaning of India rubber.
India rubber.
India rubber.
India rubber.
India rubber. India rubber is a term used to refer to natural rubber, which comes from the sap of various species of rubber trees. This material is known for its unique properties, including elasticity, waterproofing, and resistance to heat and chemicals. Natural rubber has been used for a wide variety of products over the years, from tires and seals to rubber bands and balloons. The term India rubber originated in the 18th century when British explorers found rubber trees growing in India. Today, natural rubber continues to be an important commodity in many industries around the world.